Welcome. If you want to turn on or turn off this LED indicator on your Symfonisk bookshelf speaker, at first you have to be in the Sonos application and select System. Next, pick your device and go right here for the status light of the hardware. Take a look on this icon. When I'm gonna tap on the switcher, it's turned off. To activate, just click here one more time. I can turn on the lights to show you how it looks. Take a look on this light. As you can see, that's how it looks. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.